Won't sleep in your bed of lies. Heard you met her in the club, trying to tell me you were drunk. I can still smell her perfume. Nigga, I don't fuck with you.
So, I recently bought a iPad off of Wish. And the only reason I did this was because I seen Alyssa Forever actually uses iPads for her videos. And I'm like, why don't I do the same and buy it off Wish instead of paying $300? I believe my total came to like $74. So, if you guys don't believe me, it says Wish. Oh, I should probably bleep out my address. Oops. It says Wish. I got it today. It's like nighttime. I've been working all day and I have to get up at 5 a.m. So I'm trying to get this video posted tonight. I know it's a little bit last minute, but we're gonna get this popping, okay? So sorry I'm in my PJs, but I'm like super excited. I couldn't wait. Shit, okay. And I know it's refurbished, but even on like eBay and stuff like that, they were charging a little bit too much for my comfort. I thought it was going to come in an iPad box, but it's not. That's a little bit of a letdown. Awkward. So this is what the boxing looks like. A little scared at this point. Thought it would come in an iPad box. And I could have sworn I got white, not silver. Okay. So this is what the initial iPad comes out looking like. I do have the cord, so that's cool, but I don't think this is a real Apple box. I've never seen one look like this. But then again, I've never oh, it's just saying if I return it, this is what I have to remove my Apple ID. Okay, anyways, so this is like the charger box. I'm still pretty excited, even though I don't think that's it. I could have swore I got white, not silver. But then again, I got whatever was cheapest, so this is like, it's so weird. I've never bought an iPad before, and it's kind of exciting. I'm super excited in a way. So this is what the charger box looks like. Sorry guys, I don't have my number out either. And we're gonna open. They like do things so difficult, and I don't want to like scratch it up already. I know you guys are probably like, girl, $70, like you shouldn't expect shit, but I feel like that's still a lot for me. I'm very cheap when it comes to a lot of things, so if I can save a penny, I'm going to. So, fresh out. Okay, I can definitely see some scratches. Probably a little bit more than what I would want. Yeah, like it looks like it's been pretty dinged up. I mean, it's been cleaned, but yeah, I could see like a lot of scratches. I'm a little worried about the camera. This is a 16 gigabyte, so that's what it says. I feel like I'm so far away from you guys. No idea what this does. Okay, that sound. I'm gonna see if it turns on. Ooh la la. I'm not feeling the gray though. I'm not really a big fan of gray, but my husband will probably love it. I'm super excited, guys. Now I get to film videos on this, and I just bought a camera, so like I'm bougieing out right now. But just gonna see if it turns on. It's taking a little while to turn on, but there aren't really many dents and dings around. Ooh, the charger port is like pretty scratched up though. I'm a little bit worried about it to stop charging soon. Whoever did it looks like they were like jamming it in there. It's still turning on. Does it normally take this long? So, just waiting for it to turn on. I might see if I can show you guys the scratches on it real quick. Sorry, I had to flip it to the front camera because it's taking forever. It just not turned on. And I like how I get it on 1%. Wow, so real quick for you guys, so I can hold up my end of the deal and start posting every Thursday. So it is Thursday at like 9:30 at night. I'm gonna try to get this posted real quick. It's gonna be a little quick edit and we're gonna get it. So if you guys like this, like it. If you want me to do more videos like this, buying stuff off of Wish and kind of seeing how it goes, I can do that. I know this was kind of a boring video, but I wanted to unbox it so bad. I'm a little devastated I didn't get an Apple box, but you know what, you win some, you lose some. So I'm gonna head to bed, guys. I'm gonna edit this first, make sure it gets posted. It is Thursday. I'm trying to keep it up. It's where I post every Thursday. So make sure you subscribe, comment down below if you wanna see a specific item that I buy off Wish or just want me to keep buying off Wish. I can keep doing those videos for you guys, and I hope you guys have a nice one.